This video tutorial shows the features of the GHC editor. The editor shows the timetables generated with the GHC engine. First, we will use the editor to view the timetable the engine is working with. If, while we are viewing the result, the engine keeps working and finds a better one, the editor will warn us to refresh the view of the timetable. In any case, the editor is an independent program that can be opened directly from the Start menu. The timetables generated with the engine are saved in files with the .xrho extension. Windows associates this extension with the editor. In this way, by double-clicking on those files from the system, they will be opened with the editor. Files associated with the editor will also be opened by drag-and-drop operations within the editor window. There may be several instances of the editor opened at the same time, and each one of them, you can keep different files open. That is, we could open two different timetables, both in two editors and in two windows within the editor. At the same time, different windows with different views of the same timetable can also be shown within the editor. For example, we can have a group's timetable in a window, while we view a teacher's timetable in another. We can keep different views of the timetable in tabs within the same window. Each new view may show, for example, the timetable followed by its teachers and the count of class units, or offer a general view in rows or columns. You can also extract a cross-tab of teachers and groups, show the break supervisions, the free teachers, and the free classrooms every hour. The presentation of these tables has many options. You can use keys or abbreviations to visualize the data, use colors, etc. You can also change the constant signs that appear in the tables, such as the name of the days of the week, to put them in a language different from English. The editor also allows you to modify the timetable generated by the engine, preserving its validity. You can move class units to another cell, change the classroom, modify their assignments, or extract or add new items to the timetable. That is, these operations will always be carried out preserving the structure and integrity of the timetable generated by the engine, as it is shown in the following video tutorial dedicated to the use of the editor. From the timetables generated by the engine, the editor allows you to create other files. In the files with the .gri extension, you can modify the contents of the tables freely. The .gri files store only one table extracted from the timetable. These files are associated with the editor in the system. The advantage of using GRI files is that it is possible to freely modify their content as simple text, although the drawback is that they are separated from the rest of the timetable, and the changes you make to them can no longer be validated or integrated into a common timetable. From the editor, you can directly print each of the tables extracted from a timetable as well as the contents of a .gri file. Other standard formats that you can use to show or edit your timetables are PDF, HTML, or Excel. The conversion to these formats can be done for each one of the tables of the timetable, or by generating an HTML file with a set of them. Particularly, the presentation in PDF is performed proportionally, so it may be the most appropriate in the case of having different frames or timetables for each day. This format also offers a wide variety of interesting options. For instance, you can generate one or several documents showing the entire time frame or only the occupied intervals, add the start and finish times either in each cell or in a stripe on the left, or even add a shield or logo in the upper left corner of each sheet. You can also obtain reports or transfer the results to other applications. From the editor, you can view the report of the generation of the results by the engine or the degree of compliance with the preferences of the teachers. Finally, we must indicate the possible transfer of the solved timetable to other academic management applications. These are the general features of the editor. There is another video tutorial on how to use the editor and edit the solution. Thank you for your attention.